resilience is potentially built into you a little bit, into my soul. I definitely think that there's something, again, innately that exists within me, but I also had, my parents encouraged us to keep going and chase those dreams and not never give up, but understand that life wasn't easy. If you wanted to achieve, if you wanted to get there, then you had to work hard and you had to be able to take the knocks and keep going. I've definitely got more resilient over time through my failures, which, you know, is it a good thing, is it a bad thing? I think it's just part of, you know, maybe growing up as much as developing yourself as a business owner.
I think that I make sure that I go out and find out everything that I need to know about the situation at hand. And then I let my subconscious do the work. But that's it. So I can read all sorts of stuff for days on end, and then sometime I'll say, okay, that's enough. Let this wash around, and we will work out a way out of this, or a way forward, or solve the problem, whatever it is. Sometimes that has been, virtually doing the legal degree so that I understood where people were coming from in terms of argument. Sometimes it meant, the science. I mean, in the last few years, I've really had to understand how ELISAs work, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assays, because it's part of my health background that you'd send the blood off to the lab. I didn't know what technology they use to actually do the tests. So I've had to understand that, so that then I understand how the supply chain is going to work and what that needs, because that's all my part of the deal, I guess, and how you actually get it to the end user and how you sell it to the population. Yeah, so doing all the work that you need to do to make the decision. And I don't think people put nearly enough time into making sure they understand how their business or how their sector actually works.